Morning, back on trail. Just gone 6. Trying to beat the sun this morning to try and get a few more extra miles in before it gets mad. So, moon's still up. And that's a trail. Onwards. This is the trail so far. Just gone 7:30. I'm following those markers off into the distance. And it's really starting to get warm now. Sun's getting up, ready to kill me. Onwards now. It's all this shale. It's really difficult. It's been like a roller coaster, up and down big dips. And this is hard to walk on because it's slippy. Anyway, onwards. I've just had my first trail magic. Well, almost, because the farmer or the ranger, the young lady, came over and didn't think the trail angel should be there, but after a little few discussions she left him be, but it was like standoff. Anyway, had a nice cold Coke, which is gorgeous. Could have stayed a bit longer, but I need to get some miles in this heat. Well, I've been sat in this culvert for approximately 3 hours because I just can't hike in the heat. I'm waiting now for 6:30, 7 o'clock to finish off to get to the next water. I can't hike in this heat. I'm just melting. So me and my jolly pack are sat here waiting for the sun to go down a bit more, and then we can hopefully get to camp and chill. Well, we just had to stop. We ran out of miles, so I've just thrown it up my tent, and we're to the 2 miles in the morning because I just haven't got it in me now. So, tea, bed, snell out. After crossing my second grassland, encountering my second warning by a rattlesnake rattling his head off, I decided I'd had enough today and my tent was going up. Night all.